aspect, you can perform actions that are specific to each object through either through GUI or through T-SQL. GUI means graphical user interface. For instance, if I go into a table and I want to prompt, I can perform an action using GUI by simply, let's say I decide to right click on this and select top 1000 rows. That's what that does is you can do that. That's one way to find out what's going on here, or to see what is in this table. And the other way to find out is simply by, let me do this. I'll show you what I'm trying to do. This table, for instance, that's what it is. Okay, by simply right-clicking on the particular table, database here, and choosing new query. Okay, and I'll go in and write something like select all, and then the database that I'm trying to view, and I can then go ahead, and this is now using T-SQL. Okay, and I can go ahead and execute. Let me see, what's the problem? Oh, sorry. And sometimes to find out to see whether your query is right, you can use this before executing. It will tell you if it's right or not, and then you can execute. For executing, you can either press F5 or you hit this execute. So this is me writing T-SQL to get the same result that I got over here using GUI. And I also want to mention that if you don't want to write the database name or the table name that you're trying to query, you can as well drag it into it, just like that, and it's still going to give you the same result. So you can drag, you can write. So that's how we do that. Executing query within the query window has to be specific to the available database in the database finder. Once again, you have to know. So this query is that we executed, we ran it over this database over here, because this table exists under this database. This table right here, and then this is the database. So if I collapse all of this right now, so this is the database we ran that query against, and that's why we have it here.